Hi everyone, welcome to Salesforce Admin training session. So this is my first video on introduction to the Salesforce. Like in this overall session, we are learning on the Salesforce Admin concept. And certification preparation also we are taking in this, and interview questions also, like what are the important question which asked in admin part. I will take over those things in this whole session. So, starting with this session, first of all, I will introduce myself. I am Kumar Swami Matpati. I am working as a technical business analyst from 1.5 years, and I have a certification like admin certified and CPQ specialist. So, I'm working in one of the golden partner of Salesforce partner company. It's an golden partner, and we provide a consultants to many companies to implement Salesforce. First of all, like introduction to Salesforce. Why we need to learn Salesforce? Like why we need to learn Salesforce, and what important role will these nowadays in IT? What say over learning Salesforce? What will play an important role, and how it will be useful? And getting a certified in Salesforce. What are the advantages? First thing I will discuss on that. So why Salesforce? Like Salesforce is a technology which, like, it is fully, as you know, it's fully developed on cloud. In nowadays market, not everyone depending on the software. Everything they are wanted to on cloud, just logging into that we can get every access. So we are thinking in that mind, Salesforce is a best tool, like best platform, cloud computing platform. And the second thing, why we need to learn in this present situation is there are many opportunities of learning the Salesforce. Like there are many job openings for the Salesforce, and why getting certification in Salesforce? Like it's an feather, like for a particular employee or anything. Certification is like a feather. Like they will get an one of the feather, as I mentioned, like they will get an opportunity, like growing, and they can certify their specialization will be identified using that certification. So certification also will play a major role. These are the things for the why we need to learn Salesforce. And after that, what are the things we will learn in fully admin part? Will in whole session we will completely take over your admin part. What are the things we will do in admin, and why is admin important in Salesforce to learn? Firstly, because it's an building block. Like there is a many roles are there in Salesforce, like admin, developer, there are consultant, many roles are there, tester, testing means QA. There are many roles, but admin will play a major role because admin is a in admin, if you know the full concept in admin and you are good at admin, whichever role you will get in Salesforce, I promise you, you will you will be succeed in that. Admin is a major part to learn in the Salesforce, and it is a first step. So we will prefer admin to learn first, and I will take over all the admin part and concept, and what are the things they will ask in interview, and what are the things it will come in certification. After completing this session, you will be able to know what is Salesforce. Salesforce CRM architecture I will explain. Comparison among Salesforce subscription. These things will I will take over. First thing, you will get what you will think in mind. What is Salesforce? See, Salesforce.com is an on-demand service designed to manage customer relationship, integration with other system, and even building our own application. It will be helpful. The service include easy to use customization tool will be help you to create solution for unique business requirement. Like Salesforce provide, and these are the platforms where Salesforce provide. These are the services like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. These are the service which provided by the Salesforce. Like first of all, founder of the Salesforce is Mark Benioff. Salesforce was created in 1997. First it was overall introduction to Salesforce. See, Salesforce is an customer relationship management, CRM. Like it is used to hold the customer data, and it how our business customer business, like customer business logic. Based on that, we can be create our application, and all the data can be stored, like their live data that will be stored there. that and it this Salesforce CRM product visualization for that many use for the business purpose and business requirement, like business requirement. Based on business requirement we can create application, and third party tools also we can integrate with the Salesforce. There are many major useful, and Salesforce is one of the things. It's there are many CRM tools in market, but Salesforce stand as a giant, world's number one CRM. Like there are other CRM cannot able to compete to Salesforce because it's beautiful UI and its performance and third party application support, everything, and its storage capacity, everything is like compared to others. It's a Salesforce is a highly demanded. In the Salesforce we will see about Salesforce architecture. Here this is the overall architecture of the Salesforce CRM. As you see, like it's an cake, how we will make a cake column, right? One above the above. It's like uh, as you see there are some layers, as cake will be layers, right? Here also there are some layers. I will explain what are those layers. As you see at last, there will be there will be an trusted multi-talent cloud. So it's an platform where it will be, one second I will clear this, it will helpful to see you. So first layer it will become as a trusted multi-tenant cloud. In this here, in this layer, instance of one or multi application operate independently in this shared environment. These instances are referred as a tenant, and they logically separate from others, like while physical remaining in the same hardware. Like it will be in a layer where application can run independently because of both the robust nature and highly security. And above that there will be an these are the backend things which we can store data and object, and mobile like UI will be there for creating those data and object will be created backend, and collaboration and analytics and workflow. These are the automation we can do that backend. These are the second layer will come as a backend which run on our OS. Last one will be identities. These are the backend things, and it comes at the last enterprise ecosystem. In this enterprise ecosystem is a scale is very large, has a large number of partners contribute their creating and maintaining application in this platform. Like here we will create in this area enterprise ecosystem, we will create an our application based on our business logic. And Salesforce, and at last this one at above, Salesforce provides some applications, inbuilt Salesforce applications like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Community Cloud, Analytics, and App Exchange product. These are the inbuilt which provided by the Salesforce. And at the last App Exchange, in this is a App Exchange like our in Google there will be a Play Store, right? Like that, this is also like a Play Store where all the ready-made application we will get in the App Exchange. We can directly install free application will be there and paid application will be there. It will like they created on business requirement that can be installed in our application in our org and our instance. I will tell in for what is instant and or I will tell in further. Like these are the applications which provided inbuilt provided by the Salesforce. And at last this API. Using this API, this option good for the connecting third-party applications. Like we will connect a third-party applications using this API. So I think this is a like tricky thing. I will explain you easy manner what is the architecture of Salesforce. How Salesforce architecture is built. Okay, first of all, first layer will be an infrastructure as a service. This is a basic platform. Salesforce is built. Above this, we will get an our system OS. There will be an OS. Above the OS will connected with an softwares, like ready-made softwares which were provided by the Salesforce. tools will be there. After that, our database, and these things will be connected with each other. This is the like overview of the architecture of Salesforce CRM. Like it will be an platform and it is an OS and which connected with software, tools, and database at at an instance. So like at a Salesforce, this is architect in Salesforce. This cloud computing application is created on force.com. In that force.com, there will be an we created an environment using that force.com. We have created an environment like force.com is also called as environment where application is built. So environment is nothing but an like instance where like the Salesforce is built their applications, like there will be an application which you are built on that instance that the customer will be provided. Like example, this is an instance which this is an architect, so which is called an environment. Like take an example like real estate company which sell the which build like apartment and sell the apartments, so that they need to be track their business logic will be there separate. They wanted to use the Salesforce to maintain their all the data and or what are the sales that maintain. So they will approach to the Salesforce, they will buy an Salesforce instance, one of the instance, like it will be same they will provide an instance like copy as a production, in which this is a production. It will be an production instance where all the live data will be maintained, like based on their business logic will be created in that, and all the live data will be maintained in this instance. They will that Purankara company will be taken from the Salesforce and they will provide an instance sales they will buy an subscription instant application that will Salesforce will provide an environment like it's called an org also, like production org they will give. After that will be taken. Okay, admin certification it's consist of admin certification consists of 65 questions. One second, I will give you. It's contents of 60 multiple choice plus non-scored of 5 additional non-scored question will be there. Time allotted will be like 105 minutes, like 105 minutes. After passing score will be 65% overall. In 60 question, you need to take around 39 is a passing score, and registration fee will be USD 200 USD. Retake will be 100 USD when you if you fail. These are the things you need to check. That no hard copy which should be taken, pre-required, no required, course attendance, highly requirement. Like you need to be know regarding that. And there are the topics. Here are the topics. Like these are the topics that in admin certification they will ask. Organization setup, it will be consist of 3% overall in that questions. User setup, security and access, standard and custom object, sales and marketing application, service and support application, activity management and collaboration, data management, analytics, report and dashboard, workflows, process automation, desktop and mobile administration, app exchange product. Okay, these are the topics which will be asked under certification exam. So we'll cover all of this and we will give what are the like major important question which we will get. We will give on which topic they will ask. I will going through the our session, our session and topic. I will whenever that topics come, what are the things they will ask. I will explain you in that and I will stress on that. These are the things. Okay.